In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for marketing campaigns fast and easy. Whether you're seasoned in marketing or just starting out, Monday.com offers a dynamic and visual way to manage your campaigns effectively. Let's dive right in and explore how you can harness the power of this tool to boost your marketing efforts. First things first, you want to kick things off by creating a board for your campaign tasks. Think of this as your command center, where you'll oversee all the different elements of your marketing initiative. To do this, navigate to your Monday.com workspace. Look for the Add button, usually found on the sidebar, and select New Board. You might want to name this board something descriptive and instantly recognizable. For example, if you're launching a new product, you could name it after the product itself or the campaign that you're running. This board will act as a repository for all tasks related to this campaign, allowing your team to work cohesively in one virtual space. Once your board is set up, you'll need to assign owners and deadlines to each of the tasks you've added. Assigning tasks not only clarifies who's responsible for what, but also ensures accountability within your team. You can do this by clicking on the task and then selecting a team member as the owner. For deadlines, you can either select a specific date or set a range, depending on the flexibility of the task. Deadlines help keep the campaign on schedule, allowing you to track progress and make adjustments if necessary. Now that your tasks have owners and deadlines, it's time to visualize your campaign timeline using the calendar view. This feature lets you see all of your tasks laid out over a calendar, making scheduling a breeze. To access this, click on the Views button, where you'll find the option to switch to Calendar View. It's especially useful to see how tasks overlap and to identify any potential bottlenecks in your project timeline. Plus, this view is a fantastic tool for spotting times when team members might be overloaded with tasks, allowing you to redistribute work early on. Lastly, to ensure your marketing campaign is on track, you'll want to monitor performance in dashboards. Dashboards in Monday.com provide an overview of all your campaign's metrics in one place. You can customize these to display data that's most pertinent to your objectives, from social media engagement stats to sales figures. To create a dashboard, click on the dashboard icon and begin adding widgets that reflect the key indicators you want to track. This feature not only gives you a comprehensive insight into how your campaign is performing, but also equips you with the data necessary for making informed decisions. And that's it. You've learned how to use Monday.com to run your marketing campaign smoothly and efficiently. By setting up boards, assigning tasks, utilizing views, and monitoring dashboards, you're now ready to take your marketing efforts to the next level. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.